Hi, I'm Chris Beardshaw, designer of the Myeloma UK Garden here at Chelsea Flower Show. And the design idea was really to create a garden of peaceful tranquility and something that allows us to restore our mind and emotions. And key to that is utilising shade. Now, many of us are afraid of using shade in the garden and are not really sure what to do with it. However, if you create the right conditions, you can really revel in it. The first thing is to make sure that the soil has plenty of organic matter. Homemade compost dug in will improve the moisture retentive qualities of your soil, which will help the plants. The second thing is to go for plants that revel in being in that environment. And there's a whole wealth of them, from things like aspidistra, for instance, which you may be more familiar with as a houseplant, but is pretty hardy. Or if you want something really exotic, colocasias or Schefflera taiwaniana. If, however, your conditions are really challenging, what about things like Pachysandra or Brunnera Jack Frost? And then there's the beautiful Convallaria majalis. Knit them together in confident swathes, allow them to flow and ebb around the garden, overshadowed by the canopy of trees like this Acer nishiki, and suddenly what you create is a little piece of paradise.